Hello. Ready your alphabet book, page 41 to 43. And this video, we're starting to talk about the 5-finger patterns. 5-finger patterns also can be called as a pentascale. We're doing it in major right now. And also the major triads will be mentioned in the later video. Make sure you have a good hand shape on the piano, and let's start on C major 5-finger pattern. So we're putting your 5 finger on this 5K, and make sure find the whole step, half step, whole step, and play. And goes down. Okay, let's try to find one more. Let's start on D. Okay, this is whole step, half step, whole step. So our hands will look like this. And goes down. That's it. Easy, right? Okay, let's see what happens on our left hand. Make sure you start on C. Let's start on C major. Whole step, half step, whole step. And put your 5 finger here. And goes down. So your left hand start on pinky and goes up to this way and goes down. Let's find another one. Let's do E major. So C, D, E. And find a whole step, half step, and a whole step. So your finger will be look like this, right? And play. And goes down. Okay, that's a 5-finger pattern in major. Let's move on to triad chord. So we're on C major, and find your 3 note in your triad in C major, which is right 1, 3, 5, because we're doing a C major 5-finger patterns, which is so you only thing you need to find is 1, 3, 5 and play together. That is a triad chord. Easy, right? So right now we have a specific pattern. We need to practice that. Play 5-finger pattern first, and your broken chord in the triad chord and a block chord. Okay, I'm gonna play it again. Okay, let's move on to D, see what happened. Find your 5-finger patterns on D first. And find 1, 3, 5. That's a triad chord in D, and try to play the pattern we have. Great. Okay, next step, we're doing our left hand. Use your pinky, find on C. We're doing C major first. So find the C major 5 fingers pattern here, which is this 5K. Okay, and 5, 3, 1 will be our triad chord in C major. So we have same practice pattern here. We have the 5-finger pattern and then break chord. then block chord. Okay, so it will be sounds like. Since you already know how to play the 5-finger pattern and also a major triad, the assignment for this week is to practice the pattern I mentioned before. Like you have a 5-finger pattern and with a broken chord, broken triad chord, and a block triad chord. So that will sound like. So this is the pattern we need to practice those things. So assignment this week is to record this pattern in C major, G major, and F major. And also you got a repertoire piece on page 46 or 47. So on page 46 we have a repertoire piece is dance. Page 47 is I think that's a boogie. So you can pick one of them to record. Obviously dance is a little bit easier because we just got chords on the left hand. If you want to challenge yourself, you can do page 47, the bright lights boogie. And that's assignment for this week. And the assignment will due on this Sunday, also 11:30 p.m. To submit that before this time. Thank you. Okay, from now to the end of the video, it's about the repertoire piece on page 46 and 47. There has an analyze to help you sort of understand this piece and practice it a little bit easier. Also, I have the demonstration at the end of the video. You can jump around to find where you need. That's it. Let's say page 46, dance. And if you got color pencil, you can bring your color pencil, and like me, I make a little bit mark, different color here. And as you can tell, the circle with green color is this pattern, and we got this pattern many times, like 4 times in this piece. And here I got a purple circle, and this is same thing here, here, and here, and a red triangle, this soap, and the rest of the things they're same. The only thing you need to practice is 4 measure, like 4 measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can focus on practice this 4 measure, and you will play this whole piece very quickly, I think. Another thing I want to talk about is, since we are a musician, we need to notice we have dynamic here, dynamic mark here, here. If you don't want, forget that, just circle them. Okay, here as RIT is range rondo. You need to make a little bit slower than before, and here I had a second time, which means play here, you got a repeat, and the second time you have a ritorando, which is you are doing the ending, right? And here I want to say we have a forte to piano, which means first time you play this line, they are forte, and when you back to do the repeat, here is a repeat mark, and that will be the piano, and here mezzo forte to piano, and here has a little mark to the piano, right? Okay, that's the analyze for this piece. Let's say the Brent Little Boogie here. The rest of the part down the page is for the complement. So you don't need to play here, and you play this 3 line. And this piece, not like the dance, have a rules, very simple, but this piece still have the rules can follow. It's a little bit different. Right here, the first three group of notes in the first measure, and that skip up, and also that's a triad chord. Right here we have skip up, skip down, and here also another triad chord, which is this triad chord, and we do it back and forth. In the second line, we have a step up, step down, and here we also have 4 group of notes step down. In the third line, we have skip up, skip down again, like this. Right here, same. Be sure to check your note. Here, we got a 3 group of notes stepped up. Okay, that's the things we can do. Also, make sure here we got a left hand over, which means this note you need over your right hand to play. And so play this A flat and then use your right hand here. Here we're back to right hand to play G, F, D. Okay. Oh, I just found a thing. Here is a skip up. Here is a skip down, but right here it's step up, step down. Okay. Say sometimes I missed something too. For this piece, we have box 1, box 2. So be sure to play the first line and go to box 1 here, second line, and here we got a repeat mark, so you need to go to first line and then jump box 1 to box 2. So I think that is clear. So second time is play here and here. You all understand, I think. Another thing is here we got dynamic marks. It's MF to F. Here's clear. First time you do 1 2 is mezzo forte. Second time you do 1 3 is a forte. Don't forget that. And we don't have surround there, so you don't need to do the legato. So also you don't need to do the staccato because we don't have staccato mark here. Just play it as usual. I think that's it for this piece. Here we got a little bit different dynamic marks, mezzo forte and crescendo into forte. So this is long progress. Be sure to do it musically. I just forgot to say, if you have any questions, just email me. I will try my best to answer you. And have a good weekend.